Francis, dito ka nga.
Bloody bottoms is underneath, cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100.
Dito ka muna.
Sa may tricycle na unahan, taupo ka doon. Ikaw na mauna.
No. Pababain nyo na po, pababain nyo na. Dito Francis, dito ka nga.
Hello guys.
Puntahin mo doon, sila doon na yan. Sila Chichi.
Hindi siya magkano.
Ba't na dito?
Mayor, may bisita kayo.
Wala. Alo. Pasok po. Pasok po, pasok. Sa bahay namin. Ay! Hello, Sean!
One? Why is there so many goats here?
Ang dami nilang pusa. 7?
Sean, sino yan sa kabila? Sean!
Hindi mo kilala yan?
Limon, maliit.
Hindi na sabi ko na
Hello, Tita V! Sino yan? Sino yan? Aray!
Hello, Titi. Bayat to.
Kaya ka, Mary, ha?
Hindi kayo makakasama sa staycation. Kaya nakabook ang ano namin.
Hindi ba pwede
Sabi
doon?
ko sa inyo na dapat nakaano kayo, nagsasabi. Nakabook yung staycation eh.
Okay lang, walang problema.
Kaya nga ako nagtatanong sa inyo kasi nga kailangan na doon nakaano yung staycation.
Surprise yun! Bakit?
Ano surprise? Hindi nyo naman mag-surprise yung ano doon, na, ano, yung mga nakatira doon, ay yung hambot. Kasi, isa ka ba, ha? Isa ka. Kaya hindi pinapakita nito ang mukha eh. Sabi ko na nga ba, ito hindi pinapakita mo yung mukha niya. Nakita na yung mukha niya.
Hi!
Mo dito?
Hi! Hello? Hi, Tita! Miguel. Talon. Jump.
three.
Dapat gilid kayo, gilid. One, two. Gilid.
Say hi. What's your name? John Red.
But American colony, this big building, they used to be office of the Commonwealth. Now the big building, now that's they call Bureau of Treasury, one of the government office inside. And this one to the right side is Manila Cathedral. This is the mother of all churches in the Philippines. It was built in 1551. But Manila Cathedral is not original structure. 7 times destroyed, 8 times rebuilt. When Pope John Paul II came to the Philippines in 1981, Pope John Paul II was staying here for a few hours before going back home to Vatican City. Anong bansa mo dyan?
Ano po? Dito nga, Obi ice cream. Yay! Obi.
Is it okay? Ubay okay.
Please tell me this is a big monkey.
Why don't they show yung second monkey shrimp? Because there's a monkey shrimp with claws and punching.
Hindi naman daw, pinupin man yung mga pinupin mo.
Maganda kung may shark, tapos ganyan ka.
Nag-enjoy si Pai. What's that?
I think that's a eel. No, that's an eel.
Sa sisikin mo yan. Papay.
Wow! Hala, lumalabas sila.
Keep ko na.
Hey, you have my phone, huh? So we hope. Hi, Miguel. Miguel. Wow. Hi.
Ito sa'yo. So, welcome natin yung Filipino from Portugal.
From Portugal.
So, from Bar
360. Yeah.
360?
360 dito go slow. Yeah. Cheers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Okay po. Check po natin yung lalim sa steak ko lang. Okay na po. Medium po. Our steak for today is dito po sa steak of nila. And if you want to adjust the seasoning, kaya mo tayo ng season. And steak sauce po. Ito po.
Where are we going?
Tacloban.
To meet?
Lula. Oo. Kishera!